बैंक में इंश्योरेंस पॉलिसी की मिस सेलिंग से न केवल आम आदमी परेशान है, बल्कि देश की वित्त मंत्री निर्मला सीतारमण और इरडाई चेयरमैन देबाशीष पांडा भी चिंतित हैं। एसबीआई बैंकिंग और इकोनॉमिक्स कॉन्क्लेव में दोनों ने कहा कि इंश्योरेंस घर घर पहुंचाने में बैंकों की भूमिका महत्वपूर्ण है, लेकिन बैंकों को अपने ग्राहकों का विश्वास जीतने के लिए अपने मुख्य बैंकिंग सेवाओं पर ध्यान देना चाहिए, न कि इंश्योरेंस प्रोडक्ट ज़्यादा बेचने पर। साथ ही वित्त मंत्री ने कहा कि बैंकों में इंश्योरेंस की गलत बिक्री न केवल ग्राहकों पर अतिरिक्त बोझ डालती है, बल्कि उनके बैंकिंग सिस्टम पर भी भरोसे को कमजोर करती है।
While this model has significantly contributed to improving insurance penetration across the country, it has also raised concerns about instances of mis-selling, and I would say added or contributed in indirect ways of increased cost of borrowing for the customers. So banks will have to look at it with a lot more emphasis on their core banking activities and not burden customers with insurances which they don't require. So banks must prioritize on transparency, ethical practices, and clear communication strategies for us to earn the trust of the people.
Channel is a very useful channel, but of late, a lot of ills have crept into the system. I think we all need to sit together, thrash out that so that we restore that confidence, and it should become a distribution model which is low cost. You don't need to run after, chasing customers. You have to give the option to the customer, no mis-selling, no force selling, and of course the Bima Sugam will also facilitate all of that. So I believe that there is merit in this system, but we have to do it with care and caution so that you don't forget your activity and only start selling insurance.